Wake up. It's time to shoot the video again. It's already shooting.
What? Oh.
The video's shooting.
News.
What?
I attached Mr. Soccer Ball's face on again.
You just took it off and put it back on.
Dude, really?
Oh. Okay. Keep rolling.
Okay. I'll keep rolling, like you said.
No, not like that. Keep talking.
Dude, you're making me mad. Oh, Mr. Soccer Ball!
Did you see that bounce? That was
face.
awesome.
Your face.
Here, want me to help?
No, you've done enough damage.
Hey!
You've done a lot of damage to him.
Do you want to see Mr. Soccer Ball's face?
Face.
There's his face.
This is your reign of terror.
Yep, sorry. Okay.